From beginner to profitable one-person business. The world of work is changing. You no longer need investors. You no longer need a large team. You no longer need massive capital. You need skills, clarity, and the right system. This course shows you how to build a profitable one-person online business, step by step. The illusion of job security and the rise of one-person businesses. We used to chase job security like it was the holy grail. But honestly, today, job security is often an illusion. Just look at the headlines. If giants like Amazon can lay off 30,000 employees, and they have, it tells you everything you need to know. The old paradigms are crumbling, but here's the exciting part. From the ashes of corporate uncertainty, a powerful new revolution is rising. The one-person business, the solopreneur, the small business uprising. People like you are taking control, building their own empires and crafting their own futures. Whether you're a beginner with zero experience or someone ready to scale smarter, this course gives you the exact roadmap to start, grow, and sustain a solopreneur business in today's digital economy. Why solopreneurship? We are living in the era of creators, consultants, freelancers, digital educators, and online entrepreneurs. Platforms like Udemy, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Shopify have made it possible for one person to build real income without employees. The opportunity has never been bigger. But opportunity without structure leads to confusion. This course gives you structure. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand what solopreneurship really is and why it's rising globally. Identify profitable business models for one-person businesses. Choose the right niche based on skill, demand, and scalability. Build a simple, lean online business from scratch. By the end of this course, you will create income streams without hiring employees. Develop a personal brand that attracts opportunities. Set up systems to automate and scale your business. Avoid common beginner mistakes that waste time and money. Transition from employee mindset to entrepreneur thinking. Build long-term sustainability instead of chasing trends.
If you are looking for hype, this is not for you. If you are looking for a practical, structured blueprint, you're in the right place. What makes this course different? This isn't theory. This is a real-world framework built around lean execution, low overhead, skill-based monetization, scalable digital systems, sustainable growth.
You won't be told to just follow your passion. You'll learn how to validate ideas, structure income streams, and build intelligently. Beginner to intermediate friendly. We start with fundamentals, then we move into strategy, positioning, systems, and scaling. If you're a beginner, you'll get clarity. If you're intermediate, you'll get refinement and structure. The bigger picture, solopreneurship isn't just about money. It's about control, freedom, ownership, scalability, independence. The future belongs to individuals who can build, adapt, and monetize skills. This course helps you become one of them. If you're ready to stop consuming content and start building something of your own, enroll now. Let's build your one-person business the right way. For more information, visit Smart Job Consult. This mini-course comprises of 5 modules. Module 1, The End of Job Security and Rise of the One-Person Business. Module 2, Discover your one-person business opportunity, even with no capital. Module 3, Launch your solopreneur business step by step. Module 4, Marketing yourself without a budget. Module 5, Scaling and automating your one-person business. Course overview. Module content. This includes the lectures and sections in each module. Self-assessment questions. There are 15 questions to answer before going to the next module. Case studies. There will be case studies to help you understand more why solopreneurship is the way to go. Course completion. Final course examination for the rise of solopreneurship at the end of the course.
Student workbook. The student workbook. What's inside the workbook? The workbook includes structured exercises for all course, the rise of solopreneurship. As a student, you will reflect on your solopreneur mindset, identify business opportunities, Design your business model, define your personal brand, plan marketing and sales strategies, build productivity systems, develop a scaling strategy, create a long-term vision for financial independence. Each section includes guided reflection questions, space for you as a student to write answers, practical thinking exercises, how to use it in your course. To help you apply what you're learning, I've created a downloadable workbook for this course. I strongly encourage you to pause the videos, write your answers, and work through the exercises. This is where the real transformation happens. Why wait? This is the opportunity you have been looking for. Enroll now.